Yeah, Mom and Dad are here.
Oh, okay.
Papa fell asleep in the car, so then I'm like, Grandma's like, oh, he's just having a nap. I'm like, but he's the driver.
You don't want the driver sleeping. Well, it's okay.
Besides that, don't
It's
make
okay
me
while it's
ever
parked.
do that again, Mom.
Why?
Don't make me take the wheel again. What is it?
Merry Christmas.
Anyway.
Come on.
Hey, little guy.
She's yours. You all right? She already peed, so are you okay?
Are you in shock?
Look at it.
Are, are you okay? Are you gonna touch it?
Where did you get it?
Are you gonna touch it?
Where did you get it?
Come check them out.
I kind of pictured it to go a little different than that. Are you okay? Are you in shock? Oh.
Oh.
Are you in shock? He's got skunky breath, I know.
Oh, it's
She-
puppy breath.
She-
Oh, you have to brush his
Hey,
her teeth.
Hey.
And you know what they were calling her?
Oh, she's pretty strong.
Oh,
Abby.
Oh, I love
But they
that
said you
smell.
can name her what you want.
When they come from the mommy pup or the mommy dog.
Okay, we need to brush it.
Are you? We'll brush her
It's
teeth.
your puppy.
Smells like yours.
It's
Are
an
you
early-
okay?
It's an early Christmas gift for you.
That way you could play with
Um,
them all.
she
Christmas
was-
break.
It's yours?
Yeah.
She
Yeah.
was half
It's
that
not
size.
babysit.
She was half that
She
size
wasn't
when we
walking
looked
when
at
we
her.
looked at her.
But she's pretty scrawny.
Well, that's all right.
What are you gonna call her?
Oh, her
Do-
ribs.
Don't you love
Well,
her?
it's
Yeah.
Her ribs.
Ritz.
one of these. It's all
Ritz.
right. That's the puppy.
She already peed in Mom's
Don't drink the
on
water.
Mom's floor.
Is it
She
mine?
wanted to
It's
know why I was
yours.
driving. She wouldn't sit in the box. I
Well,
cut
we need
the
to
box
get
down
dog
thinking
food
she
and
was
all
this
that.
Are you?
big,
We
so-
have it all planned out, Georgia.
The lady opens the door and she goes, yeah, she's
We've
all
had
over
it.
the
Oh,
house. Let me see
doesn't
what-
like math.
I brought Marissa with me.
Hi. Stinks.
Thank
Are you okay? Pick her up. Do you love her?